Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about business rules, especially the display option, when to run, like if it is display, then how to use current object and how to perform the operations on the databases and all. So basically ServiceNow provides extensive number of options to create business rules, and one of the option is with the help of display. So if you just see here, there is like before, after, sync and display, but these are different applications are there for the different options. So if you want to insert record or if you want to update record, then you can use before and after, and if you are doing some asynchronous operations, you can use async here. But if you just want to render a form to the user, if you just want to show some information to the user and you want it in a particular way, then you can use display. So it is just to show the user whatever information you want to show. So in that case you will be using display. Suppose you are fetching some data from the database and you don't want all the data to be displayed to the end user, you want to hide some data or you want to modify some data in between. So it's like between the user and the database the business rule will be setting, and whatever you set, that it will be acting upon the data coming from the database and it will be showing it to the user. Alright, so how to create a business rule, everything we will be seeing in this video. Already I have created one business rule, but I'll show it from the scratch as well. So you can see here I have named it as test 5, and in this one, in when to run, you have to select like display. Okay, so if you want to do some customizations here, you can do like let's say I want to set the short description. See, if I just open something, some incident, okay, this is issue with email, I'll just open. So if you are like if you just okay, let me just refresh this page so that it will come to the previous one. Okay, and okay, I will take some other example. Network unavailable. Okay, actually this business rule is active, that's why it is setting up the values. So I have to make it inactive first, and then I will reload the page. Okay, so now I will be getting the original content here. So see, okay, so this is it. I will go here and I'll try to refresh the list once. Okay, a request for a new service. Okay, first I need to save this one in order to make it ineffective. And now I should be able to see the original data. Okay, yeah, now you can see the string which I was appending got removed now. Okay, so now okay, so suppose you want to set the short description. So data is coming, like if you open this record, you can see short description is request for a new series. Okay, so now I will show you how it changes. So I will say set short description to ABC. Okay, so I want to set short description to ABC, so I will just save this one. Before that I should have checked active here. Okay, let me just check this active and then I will save this one. And once I save this, so I will be able to save these things now. Okay, so I will refresh this page, and you can see here, instead of that previous whatever it was there, it has got changed to ABC because I have set it from here, short description to ABC. So this is how you can set the short description with the help of a business rule. Okay, so not just the short description, you can set anything here. Let's say I want to change this description as well, need to place order, whatever is there, I want to change that one. So it's simple, you just go here description and I will say I have written this info in description. Okay, whatever. All right, so I'll just save this thing now, and if I come over here and refresh the page, I should be able to see whatever I have written there in the description now. And let's just wait. Indeed, you can see here I have written this info in description. So now you got an idea what business rule is doing here. So basically this incident inc whatever 37 is stored in the database, and once you reload this page you are fetching the data from the database. But remember that this is not getting changed in the database. Once I right click over here and save this thing, then only it will change it in the database as well. But now just now I am just, it's like overriding. Okay, so original information is same, but for user I am showing like ABC and I have written this information. So this is the use of business rule. You will not be changing anything in the database, but still you can show whatever you want to the end user. So that can be done with the help of only the business rules here. So this is one of the example. Okay, so this we have done with the help of actions and fields here. Now you can do the same thing. I will just remove these things here. Okay, so with the help of coding also you can do that thing, and I have already written this code here. Okay, so you can see this code here, like for current object short description, set it to short description plus I just want to append something. So okay, so I'll say I have appended this info, and I'll just give some space here. Okay, so then caller ID I want to set to the able tutor, then current category I want to set it to see current category already for this one it's hardware. Okay, so this rule was active, so that's why it is setting. Let me just show you what it is before. Okay, so I will just save and I will make it inactive, and if I refresh this, note that able tutor and category, these things will go to the default. Everything will be now default whatever it was previously. So see, caller was Sam Sorkin, and category was inquiry help. So request for a new series, need place order. Now in this case what I'm doing is I'm changing the short description. So whatever short description is there, on that I'm appending this one. I have appended this. Okay, after that I'm changing caller ID to able tutor. So caller ID Sam Sorokin, so that will be changed to able tutor, and category inquiry or help is there, that will be changed to hardware. So this is how you can write a small JavaScript here. So this will be boilerplate code, function execute current rule. So this will be given by the like the service now itself. You just need to add this. I'll just quickly make it active, and I will save this one. Just remember to save everything you are changing, and then I will go to this form. Now just observe these things, caller ID and category, how they will change. So I'll just refresh this page so that it's like fetching the data, and indeed you can see caller ID, able tutor, category, and these things I have made it inactive, so that's why. And you can see I have appended this thing over here, so that is coming there. Alright, so this is how you can do this stuff, very interesting stuff in the service now with the help of business rules. Okay, so you can add any number of codes here, any number of actions you can take. So if you want add some message, you can do it here, or if you want to abort the action, like if a particular caller ID or if conditions are not matching, then don't allow the user to just like open the form or something like that. So those advanced things can be done with the help of business rule. Alright, so that is pretty much about the business rules and the display action, whatever it is there. So we have also explained before, after, and async in my previous videos. You can check out for more information on that one. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.